Hello, everyone. My name is Cameron Murray, and this is my Social Studies Technology app review. All right, the app that I chose is Google Earth. There's the link attached to go to that website. So what is Google Earth? Here's a great video on Google Earth's website that kind of shows a little bit about it. All right, so clearly that is amazing, but are we able to do that? So yes, we are. So I'm going to kind of go through some steps on how we're able to do this either at home or in the classroom, all of the above. So first is preparation, of course. Step one, download and install the Google Earth program from the Google Earth download page. And then open Google Earth once it is downloaded. So this is 10 steps of really the basics of using Google Earth and how to navigate it. So you can perform searches from the search box at the top left side of the program. You can type a place name, zip code, postcode, a town, city name, an airport, or you can even try to type the latitude, longitude, location. So once you press the enter key, you'll be flown to that destination. Be creative with your searches, but try to be realistic as things you'd actually find on a city, country, county, country map worldwide. And to the right is a picture of where you would find that. Step two, drag the map around to move from one area to another. So as you can tell on the right, this is New York, so it's showing you different cities and things in New York. That way you can kind of narrow where you would like to look. Step three, utilize the zoom out and zoom in options from the buttons on the right-hand side of the screen. Did you even realize that there was once a ladder on top of the Google Corporation building? So you can kind of zoom in and zoom out to get closer and further away, things of that nature. Um, Step four, turn the wheel in the top right corner to spin the item to a better understood angle. Whatever angle you choose, the angle will have to work best for you. Change this location even more by clicking the button in the center of it. You can change between land mode and views from above. Sometimes this can be useful. So if you're wanting to look straight down on the building, or if you want to get more like street view as if you're walking down the street, this would kind of give you that option. Step five, change views. To move from an aerial view to a view that's looking from the earth, use a horizontal bar in the right hand corner. So this kind of levels you on the ground. As you can tell to the right, it makes it easier to see than as if you're in the sky. Step six, look for the date of the picture that was taken at the bottom left corner of the screen and scroll through the dates to see all the satellite images from different days of the year. Zoom to a place on the map where the satellite image has a date, click the View menu from the menu bar, and click the Historical Imagery button to enable the feature. Drag the location of the toggle slider switch in the top left corner to a different date and see what the area is like. Yes, now you can see what New Orleans was like after Hurricane Katrina, or one of the most famous historical times that date back to 1990. So this is a great feature, allowing you to see pretty much time itself and how things have evolved and changed over the years. Step 7, utilize the Layers button from the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Turn on the Weather view from the Layers button in the bottom left corner. Click the drop-down negative sign and next to the Weather and click both the radar and clouds options. You'll be able to see the rain and snow and clouds and sleet on this map, just like you were looking at a weather radar or on a TV screen weather broadcasting channel. So that's a pretty amazing feature. Steep Step 8, view Mars, the night sky, and the moon in the picturesque satellite imagery. And you'll find this toggle switch in the View Explore drop down in the menu bar. Step 9, turn on the ability to see what amount of daylight is shown on the location. Click Google Earth Sun or Mode to see what areas of the sky are covered by sunlight. However, not many people will want to change this sun or Earth City Lights mode because it darkens buildings to the point where nobody can see what's underneath the blackened areas. But you can run these modes sparingly. In step 10, learn the ins and outs of Google Flight Simulator. Whether you start on one of the default airport locations or you fly yourself to an airport and level yourself with the zoom button on one of those other airports around the world, the Flight Simulator will trigger and allow you to fly over areas and view other flight imagery of cities. This can be popular too, so select this option through Google Search Tools, enter Flight Simulator link, or by using the keyboard shortcuts and when the Google Earth program is open. And this allows you to literally fly and shows you the images as if you were an airplane. So evaluation. So when I was a kid, I loved all things geographical, but was frustrated because globes, maps, and atlases went out of date rather quickly as borders were redrawn and countries came and went. So Google Earth, which recently refreshed to version 4.3, keeps integrating new capabilities that a physical globe can't. The application, backed by data streamed from Google, lets you see almost any spot on Earth from space and then zoom in and view it, often to an amazing level of detail. Using the application provides an enjoyable, informative, and educational experience. It has plenty of practical uses too. If you're planning a trip, for example, you can get a good feel for a place by exploring its terrain, resources, and attractions, and viewing related photos, text, and videos in Google Earth. So integrating Google Earth in the classroom. Google Earth can be used for numerous things. To support hands-on inquiry by students in computer classrooms, as a basis for homework assignments, for dynamic presentations during class lectures, for inquiry during class presentations, to create imagery and maps for PowerPoint, Word, and other presentation tools, as a data discovery, organization, and distribution tool for research projects, or to enrich discussion of an issue that arises spontaneously during an informal classroom discussion. That's all I've got. Thanks so much.